Welcome to this walkthrough of managing responsive search ads in PPC Ad Editor. There are two main ways to manage RSAs effectively: Visual View and Table View. Let's start by showing you how to access these two views. The first way is to select from an existing campaign. To do this, go to the Previews section. In the list of previews, click on any existing RSA preview from your dashboard. This feature is available only for responsive search ads. Select Edit Mode from the top navigation bar. Once you're in Edit Mode, you'll see the Visual View and Table View tabs at the top left of the screen. Switch between Visual View and Table View using the buttons at the top. You can quickly edit multiple ad components in Table View. The second way to manage RSAs effectively is by creating a new RSA preview. Click View Preview List to return to the list of previews. In the navigation bar, go to Ad Types, where you can create a new RSA preview. Select the Google Ads icon as an ad channel. Choose Responsive Search Ad under Step 2. Select Ad Format. Click on Use Demo Data under Step 3. Select Data Source. Press the Continue button to proceed. Click on the Edit Mode icon in the navigation bar. Visual View displays your ad exactly as it will appear on Google Search, allowing you to preview both the mobile and desktop versions. This mode allows you to see the layout, text, and overall appearance of your ad before it goes live, ensuring everything looks just as intended. Switch to Table View by clicking the button in the interface. Table View is for power users and PPC managers who need to edit multiple ad components quickly. Observe the campaign details displayed in the table format. You can add a new entry by clicking Add Row to insert it into the table. The Table View feature makes bulk editing and managing Google Ads campaigns faster and more intuitive. If you have an Excel or Google Sheets file containing your ad data, you can copy and paste it directly into Table View by clicking Paste from Clipboard. You can click Replace to switch with existing data or select Append to add it to the existing data. In this tutorial, we'll go with appending the data. Both modes are fully synchronized. Any changes made in table mode will appear in visual mode and vice versa. Review the expanded table with the newly appended data. Make sure the columns in your Google Sheets or Excel file match the format of your table view. Click the Update button in the table area. Select Preview for the most recent untitled preview in the background process list. The preview will automatically refresh, displaying the updated ads. Both modes are fully synchronized. Any changes made in table mode will appear in visual mode and vice versa. Visual and table modes give you full flexibility when working on RSA ads. Whether you're building ads visually or entering data in bulk, both modes are seamlessly connected to support your creative workflow.